Khauf on Prime Video has got amazing reviews. All the performances have been appreciated, and if you like horror and if you haven't caught the series on Prime Video yet, go catch it now. Hello and welcome to Chai and Churan. यहाँ पे हम आपके लिए लाते हैं weekly OTT releases, so you don't have to worry कि क्या देखें इस weekend पे. So let's jump in. Hello and welcome to Chai and Churan. यहाँ पे हम आपके लिए लेकर आते हैं weekly OTT releases ताकि आपको ये ना सोचना पड़े कि अब इस weekend पे क्या देखें. So let's jump in. First up is Jewel Thief. The heist begins on Netflix. This movie is from the makers of Pathaan, War and Fighter, that is Siddharth Anand. और इसमें स्टार कर रहे हैं सैफ अली खान, जयदीप अलावत एंड निकिता दत्ता. दिस इज एन एक्शन थ्रिलर जो एक हाइस्ट पे बेस्ड है. क्लियरली जूल थीफ नाम है. तो जो सैफ अली खान होते हैं उनको बोला जाता है एक बहुत एक हाइस्ट कंडक्ट करने के लिए, एंड ही एब्सोल्युटली अग्रीज लाइक in a lot of films that he's done. It's a Red Sun Diamond की heist and there are a lot of double crosses. Actually trailer देख के मुझे full on Race 1 और Race 2 के vibes आए. I think this will be a fun film to watch on OTT. So if you happen to catch it on Netflix, do tell us in the comments below how you liked it. L2 Empuran. This Malayalam action thriller is really awaited and a highly anticipated sequel to लूसिफर जो 2019 की मलयालम फिल्म थी. पृथ्वीराज सुकुमारन is also the director of this film. The story revolves around Stephen, who has to restore the order after a corrupt chief minister is taken down. I'm really excited about this one. It's an action thriller that was shot for IMAX, but it's coming on Jio Hotstar now. So if you missed it in theaters, this is your opportunity. Do catch it on Jio Hotstar because if you love Prithviraj Sukumaran and Mohanlal, this is the Malayalam action thriller to watch. Next up is Andor Season 2. This is part of the Star Wars universe and it's premiering on Jio Hotstar. I'm sure all the Star Wars fans are really excited about this one. This is the final and very critically acclaimed season. This is season 2, which is a prequel to the Rogue One Star Wars, the first movie. And it's about Cassian Andor and how he became the rebel hero and how he started to lead the rebel alliance. So it's about betrayal, leadership, allegiances, and basically the 4 years that lead up to Rogue One, the first Star Wars film. So if you're a Star Wars fan or even if you're not, this is one that you should definitely catch on Jio Hotstar. It's season 2 and this will be the final season. Next one is Veera Dhara Suran Part 2. This is a Tamil film, action thriller once again. It stars Vikram and SJ Surya. It's coming up on Prime Video. It's the story of Kali, who is trying to live a peaceful life. But his violent past catches up with him when a crime boss encounters him at a temple. It's full of all the revenge, family drama that you need in an action thriller like this. So if you haven't caught it, you can catch it on Prime Video. Next up is You on Netflix. This is the 5th and final season of You. This is a psychological thriller drama series which is based on a very famous book by an American author called Caroline Kepnes. In this particular season, Kate has now become the CEO in a corporation and Joe is living a perfect husband life. But everything comes to a standstill and everything changes when a mysterious woman called Bronte enters their life. This will be an exciting one, and because it's the final season, all you fans are really excited about it. So catch it on Netflix and tell us what you thought in the comments below. Next up is Wanda Season 2 on Apple TV. This is a sci-fi animated series and it's based on a very famous book trilogy. Teenagers and young adults will really enjoy this one because the protagonist is Eva, who's also a teenager raised by a robot. Now this one talks about the past and the future of Earth, so it'll be a really interesting watch. Do watch it on Apple TV and let us know what you thought of it. Next one is Ayana Mane on ZEE5. This is a Kannada film where a newly married woman uncovers a series of deaths and mysterious circumstances in the family that she's married into. Next up is Bullet Train Explosion. It is on Netflix and it's based on a Japanese classic from 1975. It's a star-studded cast, so it's going to be a real good watch. On Chai and Churan, every single week, we try to bring you the best of the best weekend binges so that you don't have to worry about what to watch this weekend. If you liked our recommendations, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Chai and Churan. Share this video with all those people who may like it and tell us what else would you like to watch for next weekend. Until next time, bye-bye.